Tell them to bring me my money.
This video is not financial advice, only a source of good information.
And the good information that we're going to be talking about today is going to be about investing in stocks for beginners in 2021, the Fidelity platform, the benefits, and some of the benefits of having an investment club. Now, links for Webull and Robinhood to get free stocks will be down low in the description. And on your way down there, you can like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we drop new videos. Let's go! All right, couple things we need to get out the way first. I have taken the liberty of providing some links down low in the description to get these books. You don't have to write it down, just simply go down to the links and it'll take you to an Amazon store. Helps you out, helps me out. All right, as I've said before, you can never have too many books. Now you need to educate yourself on a couple of terms for beginners: calls, puts, market sector, market rotation, covered calls, cash secure puts, premium, strike price, options, in the money, and out of the money. These are all terms, basic beginner terms that you're going to need to know. Don't just jump into the stock market without knowing what these terms are, because if you do, you will quickly find out that this is a big boy game where the big boys end up taking...
Let's just stop. I want to write some stuff down so I can... It's no big deal. Whatever.
The big boys, as I said before, the big boys end up taking the beginner's money. Now, I got another thing that you need to learn. Sector rotation. And what sector rotation is, it's simply how the price of stocks move from different sectors such as finance, technology, basic materials, okay? The energy staples are healthcare and utilities, and right back into finance. But there are different times within the market where you'll see stocks go up and down. Give you an example. Apple stock right now has been down for quite some time. It's simply market rotation going into another sector. Again, things you need to know instead of being nervous about the different stocks. Why this stock's price is not going up, why this stock's price is not going down. There are a number of different reasons, but sector rotation for solid stocks is the reason a lot of times. Now, for another thing we need to discuss is Fidelity. These are one of the big boy brokers. Now, select brokers offer business accounts such as Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, Tastyworks. These are just a few of the ones that you'll need to educate yourself about if you're going to have an investment club. There are a lot of benefits to an investment club, but you got to remember this is for a legitimate business. A legitimate business where you can write off taxes. You know, you write off different expenses. Some of the benefits, you can write off all your losses if you're in an investment club, as opposed to a single account owned by one person. Now, what is an investment club? An investment club is a self-managed group of people who pool their money to invest together. Each member may help make investment decisions. Investment club members may hold educational meetings where they study different investments and make investment decisions together. The group might buy or sell based on a member vote. These are all things that you need to set up within your bylaws. And I may have something coming out soon to help individuals start up an investment club, because there are a lot of pitfalls that may, well, let's just say this, delay your investment club getting into the market. And I will be honest with you, I've never seen it. Now, know this, as a team, you're able to do more together than by yourself. Give you an example. Here in the Fidelity account, which is where the investment club is that we have our money in, we are in what's known as a pre-note period. A pre-note or pre-notification is a $0 test to validate the employee bank account information. Pre-notes are sent and verified before direct deposit payroll can be processed. I wish they would have told me this in the beginning. I'm just giving you some of the little nuggets that they didn't tell me about. And it takes 7 to 10 business days for this pre-note period to be over with. Again, I wish they would have told me in the beginning. That would have helped out a lot. Anyway, we're looking at the Fidelity platform. I really enjoy the Fidelity platform, especially for the investment club purposes. Look at some of the pluses or the little nuggets that they give you within this platform. And the option chain is clean. Look at that. Now, this is one of the securities that the investment club I'm in, we're looking at. And before you pick a certain strike price, there are a couple of things that you need to know. Just don't go in for this cash secure put and pick a random strike price. Here in the webull platform, we're looking for what's categorized as the VWAP, or the volume weighted average price. The volume weighted average price is denoted by that yellow line. Okay, if you see the VWAP, let's see, it's at about $62 and it changes periodically. But from what I can see, it's at $62 right now. Okay, but we want to be below the VWAP because here's one thing that you got to know. The price, whatever it is, it always goes back to the VWAP. So in order for you to make a good investment, you want to be beneath that VWAP. So me personally, I'm looking at the $59 VWAP. That'll help me make money when the security price goes back up. Because in this investment club, we have 2 rules. 1, don't lose money. 2, don't forget rule number 1. That's it. So I'm trying to make money in every investment. Now, we're selecting a put. This is a cash secured put. Leg quantity is going to be 1. 1 leg represents 100 shares. And then what you want to hit is sell to open. Now, we're doing this before the funds settle, which I'm just trying to show you an example of what you would do if the funds were settled. Yeah, just looking over some stuff here. And again, when we settled it, it's at $450. That was the bid. $450, for 100 shares, that would mean we would get $450 at the end of the week. This is a weekly option for Riot Blockchain, a weekly cash secure put for Riot Blockchain. So $450 at the end of the week is not bad at all by any stretch of the imagination. But these are some of the advantages of having an investment club. I did not have to put up $6,000 myself. We did it together. Now, what good information did we talk about today? 1, some need-to-know terms for beginners in 2021. Volume weighted average price, etc., etc. We talked about the benefits of the Fidelity platform, and we briefly discussed what an investment club is and some of the advantages. Well, already? It is time to go. But you can like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to speed with all the new videos that we're putting out. And you'll have to excuse me, due to the health crisis, we've been in somewhat of a delay, but we're back at it. I'm going to be giving you the good information. Now, speaking of information, down low, there will be links in the description. Again, as I said earlier, you do not have to write the name of these books down, but you're going to need them. Simply go to the links, click the links. It will take you directly to an Amazon store where you can purchase the books. Very cheap, but they're worth their weight in gold and will help you become an effective trader. Now, for me, it is time to go. I've got bills to pay, kids to feed. Slow nickel, fast dime. Catch you on the next video. Take care.